Pro Air Hockey Kit is good for a home game room, office rec space, or basement. Kids and adults alike will have a blast playing games on this premium arcade table at your next party. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accessories included. Electric air hockey tables come with all the accessories, including 4 pucks and 4 pushers for multiplayer gaming, 2 cup holders, and storage spots for your strikers and pucks. Number 2. LED scoring capability. ESPN Air Hockey Table includes an LED electronic overhead scorekeeper that stretches over the table and includes arcade sound effects, a game timer, and projection lights. Number 3. Quality equipment. The table set has a built-in premium blower fan for an even, cool airflow across the 3/4 inch thick, high-gloss magnetic playfield so the puck slides easily and swiftly over the surface. Number 4. Sturdy construction. 7-foot hockey table has full panel 1/2 inch thick leg supports, a reinforced playfield apron and top rail, protective corner caps, and oversized 6-inch leg levelers for stability. Number 5. High-gloss playfield and oversized leg levelers. No matter how intense your air hockey game may get, you can trust that this ESPN 5 feet air-powered hockey table can endure it. With a high-gloss playfield and oversized 5 inches leg levelers, the table provides a smooth puck glide and a level playing surface throughout the entire game playfield. Number 6. Playfield with real airflow. What makes this air hockey game stand out from the rest in the market is its built-in premium blower fan that provides maximum airflow across the entire playing surface. This makes every game feel like you are in an actual arcade or game center. Number 7. Modern and electronic upgrade. State-of-the-art but functional upgrades are added into this ESPN air-powered hockey table, a LED electronic scorer, integrated sound effects, and push-button controls. It's like taking the arcade to your own home or office game room. Also, its leg panel support and reinforced playfield aprons and top rails add to the stability and longevity of this hockey table. Number 8. Set up and play. To enjoy this air-powered hockey table, all you really need to do is put it together and play away. Already included are 2 essential hockey accessories, 2 pushers and 2 pucks. Now call up the gang and set a game night. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.